Karrueche. Yes, you know what us brown girls need. We need a little like brown sugar. This is gorgeous. Like, where we going, sis? Where we going? Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I have is a review on the new Karrueche x Colourpop collection. It's so gorgeous. It's giving me a lot of brown sugar vibes. They definitely got the name right. So if you guys are interested in this review and this tutorial on this beautiful makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned. And if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, show your support, and also hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. So I got a lot of products from Colourpop, and I'm gonna start off with the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick. Very affordable, it's $10, so you can't go wrong if it doesn't work well. I'm gonna start off by priming with my e.l.f. Mineralized Infused Face Primer. And I'm just gonna place this right on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. I'm just gonna blend that out. So I got the color 177C. And here's a swatch. So the colors that they had was this color 177C that I thought would match my skin tone. But there was another shade that was like a little bit darker and it was sold out. I can't remember the number, but this one doesn't seem too bad. It seems a little bit lighter than my shade, than my skin tone, but I'm gonna make this work. So it's definitely full coverage. I'm putting it over like my freckles and it's covering them, so. But this is a little bit too light for me, yeah. It's crazy because it looks dark and the color is dark. Like, sometimes people don't know what dark is. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna make it work. If I look a little peachy, I don't know, maybe it will, oxidize once it's blended out, so let's see. So it doesn't look too light once it's blended in, I don't know. I gotta see how it looks on camera. What do you guys think? I might have to get a darker shade and just mix these two, but these just came out and they were like sold out. So I had to work with what I got. So that's one coat. I think I'm gonna go in with another coat just to give me a little bit more coverage. Just gonna place it like, focus under my eyes where it's dark. A little bit on my forehead, under my eyes. So this does have a great flawless finish. I am loving it so far. I can't complain. You can't see any of my freckles or any blemishes I have on my face. Everything just looks smooth like a clear canvas. So I did get the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I've been hearing great things about this all over YouTube and throughout the beauty community. So I wanted to try it for myself. I got the color Dark 42. Does look a little bit light, but I didn't want it too dark because I wanted to be able to highlight. I don't like to conceal and then highlight. I like to do it all in one shot. So I'm just going to conceal my eyelids first. But it's not too bright. It is warm. It's crazy because I was gonna get the color 40 and I'm glad I didn't because this is light. That's the only thing about ordering stuff online. The pictures sometimes don't do the products any justice. Like you can't tell the colors. We're gonna make this work. When I contour, I think it's gonna give me some more color back into my face. So we'll be. This is like blending out really nice. And you always wanna use the products together because like the same brand, like concealer and foundation, I try to because I believe they're supposed to work together and then you can really see how the product works. So here I got the Brown Sugar palette. This is so cute. It's Karrueche and Colourpop. I love the packaging. I love how it's like a galaxy brown kind of color. And here we open it. Why? Like, this is real first impressions. Really, really Colourpop. And look at the eyeshadows are like coming out of the packaging. Like, what is going on? Child, you see this? But the colors are pretty. Let me just get back into my mode, because I had my stuff going, and then I seen this and I'm like, I bought this palette because of the colors. I love browns, and it's all, it's fall time. But let me just get myself together, okay? Okay, I'm back. All right, so I'm in a good mood now. I'm mad he messed up my palette, but I know this is gonna come out gorgeous. It just been through some things. We all been through some things, okay? So first, I'm thinking Shy. So I'm gonna take this color right here. So I'm just gonna pat that in, yeah. These colors, you kind of probably just need to pat them, because I don't know about just doing some swoops. It looked like it was about to go all over my face. Okay, that's cute. Okay, I'm starting to feel better about this packaging I received. We'll get to that. I'm gonna have to send them an email. For my next color, I'm thinking I'm gonna use this amber color, this orange shade, and I'm just gonna place it a little bit above my crease and just lightly blend that out. Ooh. I love me a nice warm orange shade. It's like the best shade for a woman of color. Looks good on any skin tone, for real. That's why I love it. So universal. Wow. It is blending well. Can't complain about that. It might not even be Colourpop's fault. It might be just the mailman. So I guess I can't go in on them. But they need to ship this UPS something. This was a USPS. We're gonna try henna right here. I'm gonna place this right in my crease and just pat it in there. Now when I place these shades, I think about where I'm gonna cut my crease, so keep that in mind when you're applying the eyeshadow in your crease. Because you don't wanna just like completely cover up the dark shade. Sometimes I do that, I'm like, dang, I should've made it. So I'm just gonna add some liner and some lashes and I'll be right back. I am absolutely in love with this palette so far, other than the fact that my palette came broken. Now let's get into these lips. I bought me a lippy pencil. They didn't have one with this collection, so I just got me a regular brown one in the color Pitch. So this is pitch brown. Usually it's pitch black, but so I do like this lip pencil. I was a little skeptical because it was $5, but it glided on really nice. It has a nice pigment color. This is the color Chocolate or Cream. It's really cute and dark. And I didn't get the next to darkest shade. It was like a nude kind of color. I have so many of those colors, so I didn't purchase it. But I did get this color Brick. It's like a brown shade, but it has like a hint of like purple. So I'm trying to think which one I'm gonna wear with this look. I got the lip gloss Blowzy. That's a cute name. So I'm gonna try that one on first, see how it looks. Oh, I do not like this applicator. It's so hard. It's $6. Supposed to be like a peachy kind of color. I see it a little bit, but not too much. So this is cute. I was expecting a little bit more pigment, like a peachy kind of color really showing through, but I do have on brown lip liner, so that could be the reason. But this is how I would normally wear it, so. But it's cute, it's like an everyday kind of gloss. Nothing too spectacular. All right, let's try on another lip color. Should I line it? Well, it still is a little line, so I don't think I'm gonna line it. Let's start off with Brick first, since that's a lighter shade. Now this is really cute. It reminds me of this Kylie Cosmetics shade I just bought, and I was hoping that wasn't the case. That's why I didn't want to buy it, but I wanted to buy it to show you guys because it is a cute color, but this reminds me of the color Wood. So let's compare these. And aren't they supposed to be in the same factory? These are like almost identical. Isn't that crazy? Look. But I do love the color Wood, so I can't complain. I guess I'll just keep this for backup. Now we're gonna try the chocolate color. Chocolatier. I don't know, I can't talk. Maybe it's these bracelets, I don't know. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is the color that really made me wanna buy this collection. This color and eyeshadow palette, yep, came out just how I wanted it to, Yes, sis. This brown color is the exact reason why I did want to purchase this collection by Karrueche and Colourpop. This is Bomb Karrueche. Yes, you know what us brown girls need. We need a little like brown sugar, okay? This is really pretty light. I can't stop staring in the mirror. I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. Oh, this is gorgeous. Like, where we going, sis? Where we going? Now, boo, if you want to spend your coins, go right ahead. Me, I'm gonna keep my coins. I don't need my stuff messing up. This palette didn't cost too much. I think it was like $13 or $16. I don't even think it was that much, but I'm gonna have all the prices below in the description box if you guys are interested. I really bought this palette because I do like nude colors. It is like a basic palette, but it goes well with my skin tone, and this is a look that I would wear on a normal basis. Like, I really don't go for too many colors. I do just, you know, for fun, but going out, I think it looks a little crazy. Overall, Colourpop, I mean, I can't complain. You messed up my stuff, but the look came out flawless, so I can't be mad. And if you guys enjoyed this review / tutorial, please show your girls some support. I'm loving all the love. Like, my channel's growing. Thank you so much. My goal is to get to this 5K by December, and how things are going, and maybe it may happen. So I need you guys to help me get there if you would, and give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button below. And of course, I love you guys. Have a good one. Bye.